back to the channel, guys. Have you had a chance to watch the video I uploaded yesterday? If not, why not, man? Come on, man. I give you all these beautiful content and you guys don't want to engage with it. Yeah, go and give that a watch. And while you're there, share, like and subscribe to the channel. You can at least do that, man. Come on. Yesterday's video was about stupid mods on the car, man. Go and watch it. Let me know what your thoughts are on what I said. And some of the mods here that really pisses you off. So go ahead, give that a watch and get engaged with the content. Meantime, today's video I bring to you with great pleasure. You know that feeling you get here when the sun is shining, the weather is sweet, and you ain't got nothing to complain about, and you're casually, quietly waiting for a booking to roll in, and eventually it does, and you're excited to get on with it. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's a Mustang. It's a Mustang Mach 1. If you don't know about Mach 1s yet, let me give you a quick brief details of what that is. Yeah, Mach 1 is one of those ones that bridges the gap between the GT model and the Shelby model. It's not as expensive as the Shelby, but it is beautiful nonetheless. It's a 5.8 litre twin turbo, around 400-500 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in about 6 seconds. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. Get it. You will get. It will be a minge magnet. yes, get it if you want some pom pom. Anyway, we've got it in today. We're gonna take out the center section, put H pipe in to enhance the sound. You know what we do. Have a listen to it. Let us know what you think. Get involved. Get engaged, man. Go share, like, and subscribe, man. I'm bringing you all this beautiful content and that, and you guys are just letting the team down. So what you see here on the left, the original Mustang GT that we modified, and here on my right, the Mach 1. Absolute beast. Two of the most awesome vehicles side by side. It's only missing the Shelby. That interior, absolutely insane. I'm sure you'll agree. And this color is popping. Two of the most wanted American muscle cars, Mach 1 and the GT. Look beautiful from the front and absolutely beautiful from the back. It is an absolute minge magnet, no doubt. I'm sure you'll agree. Let's get these bad boys inside and let's get on with making them sound absolutely bloody beastly. Let's go. Stop wasting time, people. So we'll start by cutting off the midsection, remove that massive resonator, let it breathe a bit, free the sound, as they say. Take off the clamps, reposition it. Looks beautiful on the ramp, I'm sure you'll agree. That color is unique. It's popping. Those tailpipes suits the car really well. Blends in with that diffuser. Big up man like Taz watching over us. Yeah, that tailpipe is sick. I think it's just perfect for that car. Nicely aligned with the diffuser. That H pipe is in position. Just gonna clamp it in and then let you have a quick listen to what it sounds like. So, let me briefly go into a bit more details of this Ford Mustang Mach 1. It is a high performance track focused version of the Mustang, positioned above the GT and below the Shelby model. It boasts around 5.8 litre V8 engine producing around 480-500 brake horsepower. It features a variety of performance upgrade for enhanced handling and track capabilities. It's 0 to 60 in around 5-6 seconds, which is absolutely insane. Let's take it down and have a listen to what it sounds like with this H-pipe on. Jeez, that sounds absolutely beautiful. I'm sure you'll agree. Gives it that aggressive tone, that beastly muscle. You can feel it. Totally enhances the sound. Go on, give it some. Sounds lovely. Let's take it out. Let's see what it sounds like outside. Let's see what it looks like under that beautiful sunshine that we got today. Carry on, slowly. Turn, start turning. Go and close that door for me on that Mustang. Turn, full locking. Leave it there and come out. Come out. Go on, Sufyan. Damn. Nothing come close to that GT exhaust that we did. 1,000 brake horsepower. Take it easy, yeah? Love.